Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? How are you today? Good morning everybody, it's Friday. And that means it's our last working day. We've got Saturday and Sunday, which are our home days. This morning you should have looked at your clear boards and completed the words with the digraphs. And for maths on the other side, you should have written your addition number lines. Our consonant blend today is this one. Spl, spl for splash. And you should have completed your worksheet on that one. We've got a decision to make. Today in our workbooks, we've got to draw a picture of our favourite farm animal and write about why we like it. When I've been looking through our Ladybird book, there are so many different farm animals in it. I just don't know which one to choose. I just don't know. Will I choose a piggy? Should I choose you? Why should I choose you? Because you have such cute babies. Lots of cute little piglets. That's quite a good reason, isn't it? Do I choose the sheep? He says he makes really fluffy jumpers. That's very true, isn't it? Do I choose the cow? She gives us our milk. I just can't decide. We're going to have a little look at a video with some farm animals and hopefully that might make your mind up. I know a little boy whose granny lives on a farm. I saw lots of animals at her farm, and when I went there was a big horse and he was my favourite that day. Let's have a look at our farm video now and see if it helps us make up our minds about which animal we would like best. In our centres we're going to write, I like the because, so we need to think about which one we like and why we like it. Let's have a look. Did you spot the cockerel in the video? It sounded just like that boy in our class. I really like the fact that we looked at the machinery as well, like the combine harvester and the tractor. We learnt about those during harvest time, if you remember. I've made my mind up about my favourite animal. Have you? I'm going to write, I like the pig. But I need to write why. I do like the pig. You're welcome. I really liked her babies. They were really, really cute. So a female pig is called a sow. It rhymes with cow. Don't get them confused. So the sow has little babies and she feeds them, and they're called suckling piglets, and they drink milk from their mummies. I don't know if you remember in the clip, but there were lots of babies drinking from their mummy at the same time. I've got a little pig here, and if you can see underneath, can you see her teats? Let's count this one. Because there are two next to each other, we can count in twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Which colour group? Who are the best? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 teats. Do you think that's how many babies she can feed at the same time? The piglets were so cute in that video. So I'm going to write my sentence now. You can watch me write my sentence, but obviously you might not choose the pig. You might choose a completely different animal. Let's have a look at our writing. I'm going to start by drawing my picture. So there's my sow, there's my female pig, and I'm going to draw her some little piglets. They're going to look more or less the same, but just a smaller version. I know what you're thinking, that looks like a kitten. I'm going to change its nose to hopefully make it look more like a pig. Draw the snout on. Hopefully that looks more like a pig now it's got a snout. Okay, now it's writing time. So my sentence is going to be, I like pigs. I like pigs because. I'm going to write half my sentence now, and then I'm going to think about the other half. I like pigs because. That's 4 words. Yours might be, I like sheep because. I like ducks because. So let's write I like. I'm going to do my green dots so that I know that it's right align, misalign. My first word is I. I, 2 fingers, like. I, I like. Okay, I've done I like, and I've used my red words there. I like, done those, check, check. I like pigs because. Pigs because. Remember, your animal might be different here. Let's go and write that bit. I like pigs, or remember that p has to sit on the line. Pigs. Pig. P, pig. I haven't drawn one pig. I don't like one pig. I like all pigs. So I like pigs. I like pigs because is a red one. Look at this. I might need to copy that down, I think. I'm going to pop that there and copy it. So I'm going down to my green dot because oh. I like pigs because... Now when I think about why I like pigs, when I was watching the piglets suckling, I thought they looked really, really cute. However, there were a couple of other pigs, and I don't know if you saw them in that big muddy puddle. It really made me laugh. They were just splashing around in the mud. So I like pigs because, we've written that, because was really hard. I like pigs because, we've done that bit, they roll in mud. They roll in mud. They is another red word. We're really going to need to use our red words today, aren't we? There's lots of tricky spellings that we need help with. They roll in mud. Let's write that part. Because they, might squeeze they in there. They roll roll. Oh, I always forget. Right, read what I've written so far. I like pigs because they roll in mud. 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 Because they roll in mud. Full stop. Oh no. Finger spaces. What shall I do? Do I cross the whole thing out and rewrite it? Pardon? Fred said that he heard one of you say that I could do the coloured lines. Well done. Thanks whoever said that to Fred. So I like pigs because they roll in mud. And there are my 2 finger spaces. I need to try and remember this. Thank you for your help, everybody. Remember, if you make a mistake, you can put a line through it, or if it's finger spaces, instead of writing the whole thing again, you can just indicate with a different coloured pen where those finger spaces should be. I just don't know how to remember them. I don't know how you remember them. You're very, very clever. Thank you for that idea. Try really hard with your sentence. Remember, you will definitely need your red word chart today. I look forward to finding out what your favourite animal is and why. See you later for maths.